Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start immediately by confirming two essentials, iOS 16 or later and the Shortcuts app. Once done, pick the app you want to lock. Open Shortcuts, tap Automation, then create Personal Automation and choose Open App as the trigger. Make sure you select the exact app name so the trigger fires reliably. You don't need extra downloads. This step creates the event that runs when the app launches. Next, we'll add the locking actions that follow the trigger. Now add the actions that enforce the lock. Tap Add Action and search for Lock Screen. If not available, use Run Shortcut that triggers a secondary shortcut or Set Focus to restrict notifications. If you prefer guided restrictions, add Enable Guided Access and configure options. Make sure to chain actions in the order you want them to run. Once the actions look right, toggle off Ask before running so the automation runs without prompts. This makes the lock feel immediate and automatic. Finish by testing. Open the app and verify the lock action executes. If nothing happens, make sure Shortcuts has permission to run automations and that guided access or screen time settings aren't blocking actions. If the lock screen action isn't present, try creating a small helper shortcut that the automation runs instead. One key troubleshooting tip: if automation is intermittent, recreate it and remove extra actions. Simpler chains run more reliably, so keep only what's necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.